2x minus 1 over 6 plus x minus 3 all over 4. So you need a common denominator, right, for, it's more in the waiting room, sorry. So you need a common denominator for 6 and 4. So 6 and 4 all divide into, so 6 and 4, common denominator for 6 and 4 is 12. So you go 6 into 12 goes twice, 2 multiplied by whatever's above the line. So there's a 2x minus 3 or minus 1 above the line. Plus 4 into 12 goes 3 times 3 multiplied by whatever's above the line. Okay, so 6 into 12 goes twice, 2 times that. 4 into 12 goes 3 times x minus 3. Multiply out and tidy it up. So multiplying into that bracket by 2, get 4x minus 2 plus 3x, and 3 3s are 9. Right, all over 12. And then you add 4x and 3x makes 7x. Minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11 all over 12, and that's your answer. Is that okay for number 14? Right, okay. The next one I was asked to do was number 16. Right, okay. So number 16 is 2x minus 3 all over 2 plus x minus 1 all over 4 minus 5 over 6. So there's just three fractions here this time. Okay, so 3 fractions, you have to get a common denominator for a 2, a 4 and a 6. So 2, 4 and 6 all divide into 12 again. Okay, so you go 2 into 12 goes 6 times 6 multiplied by whatever is above the line, which is a 2x minus 3. Okay, then you have a plus. 4 into 12 goes 3 times 3 multiplied by whatever is above the line, which is an x minus 1. Then there's a minus. Then you have 6 into 12 goes twice, 2 multiplied by 5, because that's what's above the line. Then you're just multiplying out. 6 into that goes 6 by 2x is 12x, 6 by minus 3 is minus 18. Then you have a plus 3x minus 3, and then we have minus 2 5s are 10. And that's all over 12. So put your x's together and your numbers together. So 12x and 3x makes 15x. Minus 18 minus 3 minus 10 is minus 31 over 12, and that's my answer. Is that okay for number 16? Okay, and I was also asked to do number 18. So number 18 reads 3x minus 1 all over 4 minus x over 10 minus 4x plus 2 all over 5. So again, 3 fractions, okay, so you need a common denominator. So you want a number that 4, 10 and 5 all divide into, so 4, 10 and 5 all go into 20. Okay, so you go 4 into 20 goes 5 times 5 multiplied by whatever is above the line, which is a 3x minus 1. Then we have a minus sign. 10 into 20 goes twice, 2 times x is above the line, and then we have a minus sign. 5 into 20 goes 4 times 4 multiplied by whatever is above the line, which is a 4x plus 2. Okay, then above the line you're multiplying out. So multiplying into that bracket by 5, you get 15x minus 5. Then I have a minus 2x. Now be careful here because you're multiplying in by a minus 4. So minus 4 by 4x is minus 16x. And a minus by plus is a minus 4 2s are 8. Okay, all over 20. And then put all your x's together. So 15x, take away 2x is 13x. Take away 16x is minus 3x. And minus 5 minus 8 is minus 13 all over 20. Okay, is that alright?
Miss Anna?
Yes.
You know the way you normally say when you get a common denominator you can just get rid of it then?
No, you can only get rid of it if there's an equal sign. Okay, so you can only get rid of it if there's an equal sign, because common denominator is to balance up both sides. So if you've no equal sign, you only have one side, so you haven't balanced up both sides because you only have one side. You need the equal sign in order to drop it. So if there's no equal sign, you have to keep it, because you don't know what this is equal to. This could be equal to 100, you don't know. If you had an equal sign, you even up both sides, then you drop it. But when there's no equal sign, you have to keep it, okay? And I'm really glad you asked that question, because that's really important. Okay, any other questions for me, girls? Right, we're sticking with the same section, except sometimes there's an X term underneath the line.